Hey, it's Dougie Wood, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can freeze not only the top header of your Excel table, but also the columns as well. So if you need to freeze the top row, say, for example, the header of your table, all you need to do is select that row, then click on the View tab across the top, and then under Freeze Panes, you can basically select the top row, which means when you select and scroll through, all of the headers will stay exactly where they are. If you need to freeze, say, for example, the first two columns, select the third column, go back to that freeze panes under view and select freeze panes. This means now when you are basically moving from left to right, then the first two columns will stay where they are. And if you need to freeze columns and rows, again, make sure they're selected. So select the cell below the rows to the right of the columns that you want to keep visible. And then you need to go back to under view, freeze panes and freeze panes. Now, what this will do is it means it keeps the top of the table, but it also has frozen our column A. And if you need to unfreeze the panes, it's just as simple as well. We go back under view, freeze panes, and then unfreeze panes. So it goes back to how it was before. And it's as simple as that. It's really simple, really easy. And if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please do subscribe to my channel and also check out the next useful video that's linked on the screen here for more Microsoft Excel tips.